Many people today realize that the world of media has changed, and beyond measure. It's happened thanks to three things: people's insatiable appetite for watching well-recorded video content, the need to know about alternative narratives to those pushed by mainstream media, and above all, the ubiquitous smartphone, an item we all have in our pockets. The everyday smartphone is the number one game changer. That's due to its ability to capture quality imagery and sound and easily share it on the net for all to see, hear, and consider. If you have an important story to tell, an enlightening opinion to share, or a noteworthy event to capture, our 2-day media workshop is for you. We'll teach you how to put together a professional-looking piece of video media that tells the story you want to tell. That is, a story about what matters to you, or things you and other people are passionate about. For example, compelling stories about you and the unique business you run captured in a business promo video. A 1-minute promo can be incredibly powerful in attracting new business and keeping your regular customers informed. You may want to record a fascinating talk presented by a local resident or a visitor to your town. By sharing that talk with others, those others and the presenter will be thrilled that you did. Then there's interviews with townsfolk about prominent issues affecting local people. It's a terrific way to share how others feel about what's going on around town. We'll show you, as a keen supporter of a local campaign, how to cover stories the local media doesn't. With so many of us spending time on social media today, this is a wonderful way to get news to local people by covering the insider stories locally. Plus, in most towns there are noteworthy events happening. Our town is no different. We'll look at how to record these events such that local people and the event organisers gain so much more through the local publicity. And lastly, for those with something valuable to say who are keen to share their valuable observations about the world, well, we'll be looking at filming direct to camera on the street or in your home office. It's much simpler than you'd think once you know the skills, the tips and the techniques. Today, anyone can be a podcaster or YouTuber and contribute to the world of the people's media. Join us in this exciting media workshop and become a key player in the fast-moving world of information sharing, whether it's for business, for interest, or just for fun. Come join us.
What I saw of that car, it went straight into the hay bale. What the hell happened?